Hi everyone, this is Dan Paulus, Senior Customer Marketing Manager at Healthstream, and I recently had an opportunity to talk with Kevin O'Hara, our Senior Vice President of Platform Solutions here at Healthstream, about interoperability. He had some fascinating insights to share. Super quick, hStream is the identifier, right? For a Healthstream customer, that's going to allow you to be on the platform and have this interoperability, correct?
Yes,
Okay.
your hStream ID is essentially your passport. It's a single identifier that exists in our system, ties you together. We want every individual human who works in healthcare to have one and only one hStream ID that follows them across their entire career and across all of these applications.
Okay. And challenges. What are you up against, to make this happen? I know there's a lot of infrastructure in healthcare. So just quickly, top 3 challenges you think you're wrestling with.
Yeah, I mean, the top challenge is just very basic challenges. You're Dan Paulus, you're Daniel Paulus, you're Daniel W. Paulus, you move around.
Yep.
And so just getting that nailed down to identify, how do we get one of you in the system? We have tens of millions of records in our system. We've been at this for nearly 30 years. And so we've got a lot of that to do. So just basic data matching, just kind of blocking and tackling. I would say second is the user experience. So how do you, as Dan, understand what the hStream ID is and how it works across the entire system, the value of that to get you bought into it. And then finally, it's having all these systems adjust to begin to recognize that standard ID. And so to begin to use it and take advantage of it rather than just sort of staying in their own silos. So those are probably the top 3 challenges that we're seeing.
Okay. Plenty of work ahead for you and your team.
Always
Right,
plenty
right,
of work.
Right. What about, bring us home, Kevin, with the opportunity that you see here on the horizon? I could guess at some things, but just making life easier for so many people with this singular, sign. And what do you think as you're telling people why we're investing in this and how it's going to make their lives and business better?
Sure. I mean, it has incredible upside for everybody. Obviously, all of our systems working together makes all of them more powerful, and our ability to then extend that to customers and partners makes their systems more valuable as well. And so what we really want to do is provide this foundation for many, many other applications to develop without having to do the 30 years of hard work that we've done to get plugged into 70% of US hospitals, to get their data feeds, and just build on top of that. I mean, there is no reason why we need to rebuild or have new emerging companies rebuild what we've built over the last 30 years. And so to me, that's the most exciting opportunity, is to enable innovation across the entire ecosystem and not have this tax that people have to pay of all the basic work that needs to get done. We've already done that. We've invested 30 years in it, and we want others to take advantage of that.
Fascinating stuff. Thank you so much for spending time helping explain this for us. We appreciate all the work you're doing, Kevin.
Great. Thank you, Dan.
Thank you.